Hi, I'm Olivia, and this is
Binks!
and we are FSU students here to talk about
Lloyd F. Bitzer!
So what exactly about Lloyd F. Bitzer? Well, he wrote The Rhetorical Situation.
Nice.
And just in case you guys forgot, the situation controls the rhetorical response. The rhetorical situation may be defined as a complex of person, events, objects, and relations presenting an actual or potential exigence.
Exigence.
What's an
that?
exigence? An exigence is an imperfection marked by urgency, and it's not rhetorical if it cannot be solved.
Okay, cannot be solved. So what's an example of not being an exigence?
Well, for example, the weather is not an exigence. It cannot be modified or changed. So a good example is a problem, an issue that prompts someone to talk or write about. So as FSU students like myself and you guys, an exigence could be the parking situation.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely a rough one, and one that we want to talk and write about.
For sure.
Bitzer goes on to talk about audiences, like us and you guys. An audience is a group of people capable of change and enacting change, because that's what people do.
That's right, yeah.
Bitzer goes on to talk about constraints.
Not time constraints, right?
Not exactly, but it's the beliefs and values of the audience which affect and shape the rhetoric and the discourse. So, what I believe in, what you believe in, and what you guys believe in is going to affect your response to the situation.
Sure.
So what exactly is Bitzer trying to say by all this?
Yeah.
Basically trying to say the rhetorical situation happens inside of a box.
Okay.
And within that box we have exigence, audience, and their constraints.
Okay.
And they're going to affect the way they respond to the rhetorical situation. So for example, let's use President Donald Trump, because everybody loves to talk about Trump. We actually have him here with us today. Here he is.
How does he have anything to do with this?
So, when President Donald Trump gives a speech, he's giving it a speech to a group of people, which are known as the audience.
Right.
And they're going to have their beliefs, their values, which is going to affect whatever he's talking about.
For sure. Those are constraints, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the way they respond that's going to affect the way they respond to the situation.
Okay.
So another example of what Bitzer talks about is called the typified response.
The typified?
Typified.
What is that?
So typified is recognizable patterns. So basically, you have through a process, a situation becomes treated as a particular reoccurring situation. So when President Trump walks up to the podium, he can develop certain patterns based on what other presidents have done in the past.
Oh, yeah.
So the way he's going to approach the podium, the way he's going to give his speech, the way his tone of voice, the way he's going to deliver the message, because this is all something that has been done before in the same scenario, same situation, but different content.
Got it. Over and over with the presidents in the past. Okay.
Exactly. And this also affects the audience, the way they are going to respond to the president, because it's a serious situation and it's very formal, so they're going to have potentially a serious response.
Got it. Okay.
And this is all happening within that certain time frame, in that moment, and the rhetoric that is being said in that moment is not going to go past that. So it's happening in
the box.
A box.
Okay.
Exactly.
Got it.
So that's basically Bitzer in a nutshell. So just remember, guys, what did Lloyd F. Bitzer write? The rhetorical situation. And that's all we have for you today. Hope you enjoyed it.